Hello everyone. Would you like to impress your audience by your best speech? Yes, who don't? Let's learn with Balusha and English HSC World how to impress your audience, how to impress people by delivering a speech and writing our best speech. Let's learn today a speech writing. It's a compulsory writing skill to all the board, SSC, CBSE, ICSE and throughout your life. Friends, we many times listen, मेरे प्यारे भारत देशवासियों. We listening someone we have certain impact of certain people, so we just attach with them, we just contact with the person. So it is very necessary to learn what is a speech and how to write the speech, how to deliver a speech. Alright, let's learn what is a speech. It is art of writing a speech for public presentation. Yes, it's art. It's a skill of writing speech to be delivered in public places. Speech refers to a formal address or discourse delivered to an audience. To write speech, best speech किस तरह से लिखना है और अच्छे मार्क्स एग्जाम में किस तरह से लाना है. So be with me till the end of this session. Diagram about the speech writing in short. Just see your speech title here. जिसके बारे में आपको स्पीच देना है, यहाँ पे आपको टाइटल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फिक्स करना है. देन गो टू द ओपनिंग. ओपनिंग में यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ योर राइटिंग योर स्टोरी, asking any questions. Then afterward, otherwise greeting to the audience. Then afterward, introduce yourself. Brief background of yourself. I am from so and so class में इस क्लास से हूँ और express gratitude. आपको thanks बोलना है कि आपको opportunity दी on the occasion of so and so बोलने के लिए. Then afterward, in between the and write the objective of speech. The second one is most important, means why you standing here in front of the people. Then you can take reference of the title. Today I stand before you to talk about Republic Day, about Teachers Day, anything you can write here. Then afterward, the body of your speech. Sub in section plain main body purpose. यहाँ पे आपको relevant क्या है, किसके लिए आप यहाँ पे दे रहे हो, हिस्ट्री क्या है आज के डे की, यहाँ पे आपको बताना है. एंड द लास्ट क्लोजिंग पैराग्राफ में आपको अगेन ग्रेटिट्यूड कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी क्लोज करना है और ऑप्टिमिस्टिक लोगों को अश्योर करना है कि हम इस तरह से बने रहेंगे एक दूसरे के साथ तो हम कुछ अच्छा कर सकते. फॉर्मेट ऑफ राइटिंग स्पीच, heading 5 to 6 words. Greet to the audience, yes, with good morning, good afternoon, hi, hello. In that way you can greet to the audience. Good morning boys and girls, otherwise respected principal, teachers, fellow teachers. In this way you can greet the audience first of all. Then opening line, the second important thing is introduce yourself to the audience. यहाँ पे आपको audience को introduce करना है. You are from your name, personal details, you are from which class, you belong to whom. In that way you can introduce yourself. And the second one, introduce your topic. उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ योर स्पीच आपको यहाँ पे बताना है. आई एम हियर टू प्रेजेंट टॉक ऑन टॉपिक बॉडी फिटनेस. अदरवाइज आई एम स्टैंड फ्रंट ऑफ यू regarding so and so. You can introduce yourself. Then go to the move towards main points and their elaboration. यहाँ पे आपको fact, history, figures, examples relevant to a present scenario. What is the scenario, plant tree, grow tree, about it is environment for example. So here you have to give the solution to the audience. You can ask help from the audience. So thanks बोलना है for your patience and for listening your speech. You can conclude with quotes, with slogan. Even though in beginning of the speech you can start with a slogan. For example, it's about the body fitness. You can start with health is wealth. In this way, plant tree, grow tree. In that way you can start. So audience आपको आपका speech सुनेंगे. The second thing is speech आप हिंदी में या मराठी में any language इंग्लिश में देना चाहते हो तो आप relevant शायरी से भी उसको start कर सकते हो ताकि आपका speech बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से लोगों के पास पहुंच सके. 3 step, first paragraph as opening, introduction and the topic. Second paragraph, body of the speech. Last paragraph, solution and the closing paragraph, right? Second passage में आपको क्या करना है, as per subject of the day. जो भी account on the account of the day आप जिसके बारे में बोल रहे हो उसके बारे में आपको details, fact, figures, history उस days की आपको इस तरह से बताना है. And then see the next paragraph. Third paragraph. I'm definitely conclusion, optimistic your view toward the audience, and the closing paragraph with the thankful note. Third passage. I'm very thankful to all of you for listening me carefully. I would like to thank my teachers for giving me an opportunity to speak before you all. Once again, I wish you happy any days, Teachers Day, Republic Day, any days you can mention here. This is what the two very important to all the students. Just go through it. आपको एग्जाम में ज़रूर आपको 4 मार्क्स मिलेंगे, जो भी कुछ एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो इसको आप रट के ही जाओ, ताकि और कौन सा भी स्पीच आएगा तो आप इस तरह से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. Towards solve questions. Question 1. As a part, a student of Royal Public School write a speech to be delivered in school assembly, highlighting the importance of cleanliness, suggesting that the state of cleanliness reflects the character of its citizens. 150 to 200 words. Title in bold letter. Here I started speech with a slogan. In the words of great John Wesley, cleanliness is next to godliness. While teaching to the format of writing, I told you that in front you can start beginning of the speech in any slogan, so it will be more catchy. So first impression is the definitely last impression. So we need to start our speech with the slogan. It will be more preferable, right? Good morning, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I stand before you all to highlight the importance of cleanliness. Donation in beginning, your opening of the speech, body and conclusion. Just go through it, take a screenshot if you possible. We repeat the importance of the steps of speech writing, right? First paragraph, greeting to audience, then introduce yourself, objective of the topic. Second paragraph is what? As per the subject, body, give history, elaborate the topic, give relevant examples. And the last paragraph, conclusion and hopefully, thankfully close. This is what the speech. And yes, dear friends, like, share, subscribe English HSC World YouTube channel. Stay home, stay safe, be with Balusha for learning. I am so much thankful to everyone, those who are supporting me in my small initiative.